happening, 911 shoppers? This is Adam from 911 Reviews, your review guru. And today we've got something from Modvel. This is one of those pillows that you put between your legs when you sleep. I've used them before. My mother-in-law uses them every night. I only use it when I'm getting a little back pain. Lower back pain seems to go away when I use one of these pillows. But like I said, some people use them every night and then some people just keep them around for emergencies. So if you have had trouble sleeping, restless leg, having issues, can't get comfortable, this may be the product for you. All right, so it comes to us from Modvel. Here's their little information package that comes with it. Pure memory foam, has a hidden zipper, and in fact you can take this off. This is the neat part. You can take this top off of here. Just zips off, there we go, light. Just zips off and you can actually wash the outside pillowcase. It's high quality fabric and it's machine washable. They also have other lines and other versions that you can check out. For me, it's a big thing. I do a lot of, I know it doesn't look like it, but I go to the gym a lot. And if I do deadlifts, sometimes my back just gets a little out of whack. So I use my memory foam pillow. I use my support pillow, put it right between my legs, and I'll show you that here in a minute. There's no good way for a guy to lay down on camera and not look like he's out of an 80s music video or album cover. But that's okay, I'm gonna try it today. It says you can sleep like a baby, forget about back pain and discomfort, washable cover, lifetime warranty, it's 1.4 pounds, size is 11 by 8 by 7 inches, and you can contact them at modvel.com or support at modvel.com. All right, folks. So yeah, there's a couple different ways to do this. You have to find your comfortable spot. I kind of like it there because it really does take the undue stress. I told you there's no cool way for me to lay right now, right? But it does take the undue stress off of my hips and my lower back. Some people do it a little lower. Some people put it right between the knees. I kind of like that thigh area, really comfortable. Some people get a little chafing between their thighs. That can take the pressure off there as well. And actually, I found that sometimes it's just a good pillow to rest your head on. So, folks, again, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Wife's in the shower. Hope she doesn't come through that door there. That would make a very different video. Please go ahead and check this out. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Great products, great reviews, cool stuff coming out for you in the coming weeks. We've been doing like 1 or 2 videos a day for the last month. Hopefully the pace slows down. I'm literally getting 5 items a day in the mail. I try to pick the best item, the one that I think you guys will like, and I'll do a product review for that. If you're interested in doing a product review with us, email me, allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. I'd love to check out your new and innovative products and show it to all of our 911 shopaholics. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Click like, subscribe, and check this product out. There's an Amazon link in the description below. Thumbnail. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.